You want to hit the racetrack first? Alright. Yeah, just follow me.
do what they told you. Do what they told you. And now you 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 do what they told you. You died, are justified. Remember your past, take your chosen life. You're justified. Those that died, remember the past, take your chosen life. Those who died are justified. Remember the past, take your chosen life. You're justified. Those that died, remember the past, take your chosen life. Come on. a war cannibal animal. Walk the corner to the rubble. That used to be a library. Line up to the mind cemetery now. What we don't know keeps the contract about the movement. They don't gotta burn the book, they just remove the wild. Warehouses filling fingers and cells. Running around the family, pockets full of shells. Running around the family, with a pocket full of shells. They running around the family, with a pocket full of shells. Running try, you can't stop us now. No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now. We're the renegades in this atomic age. This atomic age of renegades. Renegades in this atomic age. This atomic age of renegades.
You got me.
Since the prehistoric ages, in the days of ancient Greece, walked down through the Middle Ages, players kept going through stages, and then the Renaissance came, and times continue to change. Nothing stayed the same, but they were always renegades, like Chief Sitting Bull, Tom Paine, Dr. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, they were renegades of their time and age, so many renegades. We're the renegades of punk.
Come on, Logan, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. There it. Come on. There you go. Ooh, okay. That's fun. Part of the Earth is separating.
Fashion punk, new music. Wild Billy Childish, where the wild purple iris grows.
Come on, Shifty, you can do it. say they've actually it could have been better. Huh? It's easier. Alright, so I'm going to take you to a spot, okay? I'm going to take you to a certain spot. What I want you to do... No. It's a hill that all you have to do is just keep your foot on the pedal. It's not as steep as the first one. Huh? Okay. Just like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. all the way back.
Take my phone.
I got handlebars, you know.
You got.
I know I don't have. Sure, I want to secure that phone better.
Well, yeah, I'm just getting walked up.
All right. Let's get around. Where's this track?
That trail. This once we got down where it was all rutted and we couldn't do it. Once we got down and we did that tiny trail with the big trenches in the middle and with all the mud, that was great.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, re-entry. Ha! See ya, losers. We already got ours.
Should be good. There you go.
Well, no, I know, but oh come on, don't you do it? My foot slipped off the clutch. There we go. Remember, I'm a stick.
I feel like that's terrible for the trails.
No, oh well, no, it just makes it harder. Yeah, see, that's where the air is, though.
Oh, cool. So
Yeah.
we gotta come back up here?
Hmm?
We have to re-enter to get the air.
Well, yeah, but there's a little turnaround, though, so you can always...
Oh, good.
Yeah, if it wasn't for, like... What?
Oh my god. I'm gonna nail my fucking head.
Just keep it back, because right now you're...
I'm gonna do this.
You're not
Look,
gonna...
this is-
Yeah, no,
I
that...
don't want to snap this.
Well, hang on to the... You're okay.
Well, I know, but I'm gonna bang my fucking head. What are these Asians doing here? I've never seen an Asian drive a fucking Jeep like that.
Yeah, I'll tell you this, but you just had that recorded.
Huh?
You just had that recorded.
Oh well.
Well, I was gonna put this on Facebook, and now... Okay.
Yeah, see everybody backed out of that trail.
Oh, hey, a Land Rover.
You going to that hill spot you told her?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be fun.
I can't figure out why I can't get Facebook to work.
Probably service.
Okay, I'm trying to remember easiest way to do this. Okay, I remember now. Switch back to 4 low, but I can't. I just probably good spots on me. You're like looking for whatever to hang on to.
Where the hell are you going?
Straight ahead.
Hell no. Basil, no. Basil, they're not even doing that. They're like this.
Well, first off, they just came from that way.
Yeah, but there's no way we're doing that.
Yeah.
Basil, I'm a huge weight, and you're gonna fucking tip. Dude, I'm not comfortable. Please don't. There's no...
Alright, let me see. I guess we'll go up that way.
And there's no way. With me on this load?
Yeah.
Hell no.
I'm trying to find something easier.
There's no way. Dude, chance like 90 degrees, at least 70.
No.
Oh hell no.
And then this side. Part of the fun of having a
Fuck, dude. Holy shit.
Logan, you're okay.
Hell no.
Logan, you're okay.
Bro, what the hell?
Yeah.
Jeez, dude.
Two-door, baby.
This leads us to that hill, dude. That's like rutted.
Well, no, actually, we're gonna be above it.
Oh.
See, it's actually just below this. Or no, it's actually behind us right now.
Oh yeah, you're right. I see.
Or yeah.
Holy shit, this is better than a roller coaster.
Oh yeah. Doesn't cost as much to go to Cedar Point, and you don't have to go as fast. No, it's actually scarier is going down. Oh, I forgot this is a two-way. Well, I'll make room for them right here.
So just follow them. We're going the wrong way.
No, this is quote unquote a two-way. That's supposedly this is wide enough for two. It's really not, but I think the reason why they say it's a two-way is because they have enough room so that if need be, you can always stop like right now and go around one another. Oh, is that the guy that? Oh no, that's a different XJ. They all kind of look alike when they're covered in mud. I thought it was our buddy that tried to send it. I want to find him and see if he actually did do it. What's nice about taking the Skyway though is we're able to get to the overlook.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And then if you want, you can take photos. Gee, look at the asshole in the Toyota.
I gotta watch that. See, this shit chokes way too much.
Well, it's because I'm trying to doing the clutch and all that. That's the only reason. If it was an automatic, it wouldn't do
I want to
it.
get out and watch this.
Well, I was gonna park anyway. Yeah, I feel like everyone's got the same idea. Alright. Parked and turn camera off. Camera off.